Who wants to look real smart? Anybody? Raise your hand. If you want to look smart. Corey, you want to look smart? Okay. Well, Dylan, make sure you're filming this because she's going to look really smart. All right. So, can you name this muscle?
Yeah,
Orbicularis oculi. Because there's, what's this one called?
Orbicularis.
Oris, yes, orbicularis oris, that's right. So this is the orbicularis oculi. What are the three parts? Palpebral? Lacrimal? Yeah. This probably won't help you on the test.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Orbital. There you go. Orbital is right. That is correct. And what does it do?
Close your eyes.
Kind of squints, closes your eyes. Yeah. Yep. Absolutely. Good job. We can edit that to make her look really smart, right? Okay. Fantastic. All right. Don't worry. He's got it on the back end. You'll just look like a genius.